Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Rocket Cellini Espresso machine. Let's go ahead and pull a shot. See, we get 9 bar pressure there. Nice shot, really good crema. Well, that's a really good shot, actually. That's going to be good to drink. So, let's go ahead and pull the steam, nice strong steam. Check the hot water. Hot water is good. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.